guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ekwareka. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. If you're new to my channel, please you're welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video you'll be notified. And today I'll be making simple gown, Kaftan, Bubu. So I'm using this chiffon fabric. It's 3 years of chiffon fabric. So this is the way that I folded my fabric this way. This is 3 years and this side is by 45 and this side is 3 years. So I folded it like this and folded it again like this into 4. So now I'll mark my neck width of 3.5 inches, but it's optional, you can take more, and neck depth of 4 inches here. I'll connect the neckline. On this side is the sleeve side. It's cut together sleeve. I'm not going to cut this sleeve. So I'll measure from your shoulder, you measure like from 10 to 14 inches for the sleeve opening. I'll take 13 inches. So on this side, the edge here, this side is folded part. On the edge here, I'll come in by 2 to 4 inches. I'll mark 3 inches here. So to the end of the fabric. So here you will curve it here. You will curve it here and you will cut it. Or you will mark it like you go in 3 inches here and you will curve it and you start coming out like this as if you're making a line to the end of the fabric. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mark my neck width of 3.5. And neck depth of 4 inches. Neck width, you can take more, it's optional. 4 inches. I'll connect it. I'll curve it. So on this side is the folded edge. So on this side from your shoulder, I'll come down. You can take 10 inches, from 10 to 14 inches, but I'll mark 13 inches. On this side, 13 inches. So on this side, I'll come in by 2 to 4 inches, but I'll mark 3 inches. You can mark 2, you can mark 3, you can mark 4. 3 inches. So these 3 inches, you mark it to the end of the fabric, or you mark it from here. You'll start coming out as if you're making a line to the end of the fabric. Mine, I'll mark these 3 inches to the end, straight to the end of the fabric. So here I'll curve it. So I'm going to cut it now. So from my shoulder, I come down to 13 inches. I mark 13 from shoulder to this line is 13 inches. You can mark 10, 11, 12, or 14. So, but I marked 13 inches. So on this edge to here, I marked 3 inches, between 3 to 4 inches. But you can use 2, you can use 3, you can use 4. But I marked 3 inches, and then I connected it to the 3 inches to the end of the fabric, or you can connect it like this, like a line. So but mine is straight. So then if you don't want yours this big, what you do is to use your hip measurement. You know, I folded this fabric into 4. So what you do is to use your hip measurement divided by 4. Like my hip measurement divided by 4 is here. So you add ease, how many inches you want for ease, before you will now curve yours. So but I want mine like this. So on the neckline is optional. The neck width, how many inches you want for your neck width is optional, and how many inches you want for your neck depth is optional. So but I marked 3.5 on my neck width and 4 inches on my neck depth. So now I'm going to cut it. So I've cut it. So this is what we have now. This is the neckline. This dress is very easy to make. So after cutting it, the only thing you have to do is to fold the sleeve. Then you will now use 1 inch or ½ inch to sew this, to shape it to the end. To sew it to the end of the fabric, and you do the same on this side. So after that, you will hem the lower part of it, and you will use bias to finish the neckline. So this is the dress I've finished. I've folded the sleeve. I shaped the 2 sides. The neckline I use bias. Then I hem the lower part. I also overlock. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.